So, you are ready to get your first car. It is one of those huge life milestones, right? But let us be real, the whole financing part can be a total minefield. Today, we are going to demystify all of it and show you a super clear path from that overwhelming problem to a really simple solution. Oh, yeah, that feeling, the one, the freedom, the open road, finally getting that independence. The dream of owning your first set of wheels is just so powerful. It is a real rite of passage. I bet you can picture the exact make and model in your head right now, cannot you? And then bam, reality hits. All this talk of interest rates, loan terms, and eligibility checks, it can quickly turn that amazing dream into a massive headache. If you have ever felt that way, trust me, you are definitely not alone. It is a super common hurdle for first-time buyers. And that brings us to what we are calling the first car hurdle. It is that moment where pure excitement crashes right into this sudden wave of overwhelm. So, let us break down why this happens and what it feels like. 'Cause honestly, understanding this whole emotional roller coaster is the first step to conquering it. I mean, it all starts with that buzz of excitement, right? You are looking up different models, checking out reviews, and just imagining yourself behind the wheel. It is this awesome journey full of possibilities, and just waiting for it to happen. But then very quickly, the sheer number of decisions you have to make can just feel like a lot. You are not just picking a car. You are thinking about insurance, registration, running costs, and of course, the big one, how in the world you are going to pay for it all. The options can feel endless, and yeah, pretty overwhelming. And this right here, this is often the biggest roadblock for so many first-time buyers, especially here in Australia. The whole world of finance is just brand new territory. Trying to figure out the best loan all on your own can feel like a truly impossible task. But look, that scary maze is not a dead end. What if you had a guide for the journey? That is exactly what this next part is all about. Finding an expert solution that just cuts right through all the confusion. So, what is an asset finance broker? Well, think of them as your personal financial guide for a big purchase, like a car. They are basically a specialist who knows the lending market inside and out. Their entire job is to hook you up with the right loan for your specific situation. Okay, so having a guide sounds pretty good, right? But what does it actually mean for you? Let us dive into what we call the broker advantage and look at the real concrete benefits you get. This slide just lays it out perfectly. Instead of you having to go and apply to bank after bank, a broker does all that legwork. They have got access to a huge network of lenders, and they shop around for you to find the best rates. It means they simplify that whole tangled application mess and give you expert guidance every step of the way. And this is one of the biggest game changers, pre-approval. See, our broker, for example, find that finance will usually start with a free eligibility check. From there, they help you get pre-approved. That means you know exactly how much you can borrow before you even set foot in a car dealership. It completely flips the script and puts you in control. Just look at this comparison. Going it alone is all about uncertainty and guesswork, right? You might only talk to one or two banks, and trying to negotiate is so stressful when you do not even have your finances sorted. With a broker, all that uncertainty is just gone. It is replaced with peace of mind, a clear budget, and tons of options. You are not guessing anymore. You are shopping with total confidence. Now, theory is great and all, but let us see how this actually plays out in the real world. Our source material gives us the perfect example. The first-time buyer named Sarah. So, here is Sarah. She had been dreaming about her first car for ages, but was just completely stuck. She had no idea where to even begin with the whole loan process. Sound familiar? It is that same daunting feeling we were just talking about. Okay, check out this timeline. On day 1, she is stuck. By day 3, she has reached out to a finance broker. Find that finance. Just 2 days later, on day 5, she has got her pre-approval. And by day 10, she is not just shopping. She is driving away in her car. It just shows how fast the right help can turn this whole thing from a problem into a done deal. And this is what it is all about. Seamless and stress-free. I mean, how often do you hear those words when talking about getting your first car loan? This quote really nails that emotional shift from feeling totally overwhelmed to feeling supported and confident. So, what is the big takeaway here? Getting your first car, is a massive deal, and the financing part should empower you, not hold you back. By getting an expert guide, that dream can become a smart, stress-free reality. It really just leaves one question, does not it? What dream car are you going to drive first?